reluctantly I'm selling my boat. I got this one, a Freeman 23-foot cruiser, about April last year. I sold my previous boat rather hastily when I was diagnosed with cancer. But then I realised how much I missed the boat, and I bought this one. After working on the boat for some time, getting things put right, my health issues have started to cause problems for me, and things are just too difficult to manage, so it's going for sale.
I bought this boat from a friend, Mike. He has a static caravan nearby and stays there. He never stayed on the boat, but regularly day trips out on it. All he used on the boat was the diesel-powered heating system while sailing out when it was cold. I knew the boat and had helped him fit a new alternator to the engine shortly before I bought it. After buying the boat, I found all the things that weren't working, the things that Mike had never used, and that the boat safety certificate was about to expire. The gas pipework was in poor condition, which I had to replace, and the fuel pipework and fuel filter were of the wrong type, so that was all replaced. After that, the boat passed the boat safety certificate okay. All the seat cushions have been replaced with new. The floor has been carpeted throughout, and also in the bedding area the sides have also been carpeted to keep the warmth in. Over the year that I've had the boat, my priority has been to make it a self-contained holiday home. Once I'd got the work needed for the boat safety certificate out of the way, I set about putting in a shore supply so that mains power was available. Fitted wall lights and sockets throughout the boat. Now, as well as a gas cooker, there's a microwave oven, electric kettle, deep fat fryer and a toaster. The mains power also allows the use of a fan heater, which is much more convenient than the diesel powered hot air system.